Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, CB radio fans, hello. This is a Palomar SSB-500 here, Korea chassis here, with a Korea PCB here, like the earlier models from the UNIDEN. It's similar, yes. And this DIGISCAN UFO ELITE here, external VFO. It's a channel selector 26 to 28. I will start the radio. Okay. Okay. The frequency is 27,155. But the digit here is defect. Digit is defect. I must change this digit. Yes, I had repair here the voltage regulator, 7805 5-volt regulator was defect, and now the Redco is working, I think. Here, start the radio on AM. I will make a test here. One, two, test, yes. Okay, 27,155 here. Okay, steps in 5 cases, and scan very fast here. Okay. The scan is out of order. Aha, okay, I must turn up. Yes, okay, I must repair it. Okay, yes, it's to repair the Redco here, I think, but it works together with the Palomar. Thank you very much. Good luck, bye-bye.